Moving on, viewers, one person was killed and 7 others were injured after Bengaluru Kamakhya Express derailed in Odisha yesterday morning. Restoration work on the affected stretchway is underway. On a war footing, senior railway officials have also launched an investigation to determine the cause of the derailment. Take a look.
At least one killed and 7 others were injured after Bengaluru Kamakhya Express derailed near Nergundi station in Odisha on Sunday. The derailment took place around 11:54 am, affecting 11 coaches of the train. According to the authorities, several injured passengers were rescued and taken to a nearby hospital for treatment.
उन्होंने चेक किया, जिसको कोई इशू नहीं था वो यहीं पे है, उनको यहीं पे हमने स्टेबल करके रखा है। जिनको थोड़ा सा छोटा इशू था उनको जो हमारा टांगी CHC है वहां पे उनको स्टेबल करके दे आर नाउ फिट टू मूव, तो वो भी चले जाएंगे। बस 8 लोग ऐसे हैं कि जिनको रेफरल की जरूरत पड़ी तो उनको हमने SCB में शिफ्ट कर दिया, वो अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन रहेंगे।
Rescue and relief officials rushed to the derailment spot and the railways mobilized a special train to carry stranded passengers to their destination. The railways announced an ex gratia of rupees 5 lakh for the next to the kin of the deceased and rupees 2.5 lakh for those who suffered serious injuries and 50,000 rupees for those with minor injuries. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mohan Majhi expressed condolences over the incident and directed officials to restore normalcy on the railway line as soon as possible. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said 2 people on board the Bengaluru Kamakhya Express were injured and out of danger, and his office is in touch with the Odisha government and the railways over the incident. Authorities are working round the clock to clear the tracks and restore normalcy. Railway officials have also launched further investigation into the incident to determine the cause of the derailment.
Moving on, viewers, in Bihar, the state that is supposed to go to elections towards the end of this year is witnessing hectic political action. And this after the Union Home Minister's 2-day visit to the state, where he held back-to-back meetings. On day 1, he held 2 meetings, one with BJP functionaries, and the second meeting was with the core committee. And yesterday, he addressed rallies and also met the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, along with key NDA allies. Here's the story.
Union Minister Amit Shah launched a series of scathing attacks on the Congress and its ally RJD. Taking a swipe at RJD chief Lalu Yadav, Shah accused his party of destroying Bihar. He drew a sharp contrast to how the state has been improving under PM Modi's leadership.
बिहार को एक बार तय करना है कि हमें लालू रबड़ी के जंगल राज की ओर जाना है या मोदी जी और नीतीश कुमार के विकास के रास्ते पर जाना है। भाइयों बहनों, जब से भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए की सरकार बिहार के अंदर हुई, यहां विकास की शुरुआत हुई है।
Meanwhile, in the same rally, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar admitted that he made a mistake by joining the Mahagathbandhan.
अब हमसे गलती हुआ हमारे पटिया में कि 2 बार उन्हीं लोगों को ली 1.5 महीना, तो हम लोगों ने तय कर लिया कि ये गलत है, ये कभी नहीं होगा। और शुरू से, और हमको मुख्यमंत्री कौन बताए? श्रद्धेय अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने मुझको बनाया था, तो हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं? और एक तरह से उन्होंने काम किया, जो कभी बीच में गड़बड़ उन लोग किया, कभी कुछ नहीं।
Earlier in the day, Amit Shah met with NDA leaders at Nitish Kumar's residence in Patna to discuss seat sharing for the upcoming polls. During the meeting, the NDA partners reiterated their resolve for the victory of the alliance in Bihar.